Hi everyone, and welcome back to the René of Paris channel. My name is Abby Andrew and I'm the Alopecia Ambassador for this channel, meaning that I talk about our wigs from the perspective of someone who's dealt with hair loss for most of my life and has been a daily wig wearer for many years now. In today's video, I thought it would be really fun to show you some spring outfits for this upcoming season as the weather is starting to get nicer. I picked out a couple of different my favorite outfits that I love to wear as soon as the weather starts warming up, and of course incorporating wigs into these looks. Wigs are my favorite accessory to wear, and I really love changing it up from long styles to short styles, blonde, brunette, all over the spectrum. So I tried to incorporate a couple of different looks in this video. For the most part, I used some of our brand new Amore wigs that just came out this year because I'm just so excited to start wearing them more often, so I ended up using a lot of those for these outfits. And if you want to check out more info on all of the new Amore wigs, we have a whole other video dedicated just to talking about the new releases that you can check out on our channel as well. Or you can visit our website, reneofparis.com, to learn more about these wigs. For this first outfit, I decided to go with a simple spring dress, which I always love to bring out as soon as it starts to get warm out. With a dress like this, you can easily just throw it on to keep the outfit simple, or you can add accessories to style it up a little bit. I also paired my white platform Converse with this dress because sneakers and dresses are really in style right now as a combination. This outfit is really cute as is with no extra effort, which is why it's one of my favorite type of looks to just throw on a day out where I don't really want to put any effort to my outfit, but still want it to look cute. But to dress this outfit up even more, I decided to add some accessories. For the wig, I wanted to go with the style Thea in Hazelnut Cream Root, which is a beautiful Remy human hair wig that just came out as part of the Amore Collection. This wig is absolutely beautiful, and because it's human hair, it's very versatile with styling. I thought that this hair color really complemented the dress well and really brought it all together. For accessories, I decided to pair it with this blue beret with these studs on it, which I think is a really cute look and really matches the color on the dress. I also paired it with this red cherry necklace, which kind of contrasted with that rest of the colors of the outfit. I also paired it with this red cherry necklace, which I thought really contrasted with the colors in the outfit and gave it a nice pop of color. For the purse, I decided to add this really cute jean purse with these heart buckles on it, which I really thought just gave it a really cute, charming look. For this next outfit, I decided to go with a white lacy dress as the base. Of course, with this dress, this could just be the outfit as it is to keep it nice and simple for those spring days where you just want to go out and enjoy the sunny weather, but of course I am going to add some accessories with this look as well. I chose a white lacy dress because lacy materials like this are really in style right now. It's also very in style to pair it with something very contrasting, such as these black platform boots. To add some more layers to this dress, let's go with a green corset. I really love pairing corsets and vests with all of my outfits because it's such a simple way to add more layers to the look with very minimal effort. I really love the way this green corset complements this white lacy dress. It almost gives it kind of a princess look to it. For the purse, I decided to go with something that would help tie the boots in a little bit more to the outfit, so I chose this black fake leather purse. This is a purse that I thrifted, and I really love this find because it just looks like such a nice high quality purse, but of course it didn't break the banks. I really like thrifting little accessories like this one. For the outfit, I thought a brunette color would look really nice with these colors, so I went with Brielle in the color Chocolate Parfait Root. This is another Remy human hair wig, so again, just like Thea, very versatile, very beautiful, very high quality wig, and I really love the way it looks with the rest of the outfit. For this next outfit, I decided to style a look with a long or mid-length skirt. I really love this beautiful white skirt and pairing it with other flowy pieces as well, like this orange flowy top. This definitely gives spring, summer vibes and is really nice to wear in the hot months where you want to wear something that maybe covers you a little bit but is still also nice and flowy during the hot weather. For the wig, I'm wearing Arden in Spring Honey Tea, which is a really gorgeous synthetic style. This style is one of my absolute new favorites for a go-to daily wear wig. It's a gorgeous style, but it's also just so easy to manage, especially because of that mid-length that this wig has. This wig is actually very similar to another favorite wig of mine, which is called Stevie from the Amore Collection. So if you like this wig style but also want it to be a little bit longer, you might want to check out the wig Stevie as well. But both of those are absolute favorite wigs in my collection. For the shoes, I'm wearing these platform sandals, which I think are a really nice combination of casual with the sandal look with a little bit of height added to it. So it's kind of for like a nice boardwalk beach day. And for the accessories, I decided to add some more pops of color with this purple sparkly headband. I thought this was just a nice little pop of color because orange and purple, although they're complete opposites, look really nice together and just really complement each other nicely. Then to tie in that purple headband a little bit more into the outfit, I also decided to go with this purple fuzzy purse, which I think is just so cute and fun and just really one of my favorite accessories. I also wanted to add this sun and moon belt, which I thought was really beautiful, especially with that gold color. I thought it looked really nice with the other color accents in this look. Adding a chain belt like this over top of a skirt or over top of jeans, I think this is a really fun accessory to add without too much added effort. So that brings us to the end of this video. Let me know in the comments below which of these outfits was your favorite, and of course, which of these wigs was your favorite as well. Do you think you're interested in getting any of these wigs for yourself? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to follow us on YouTube at René of Paris and on Instagram at René of Paris to stay up to date on all of our latest releases and for some fun styling tips. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.